Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. Holders of Biometric Residence Permits BRP, be prepared for a change. As of December 31st, 2024, these physical cards will be phased out, marking a significant shift towards a more digital immigration system. But what exactly is a BRP and why is it disappearing? What does this mean for current holders and what lies ahead with the introduction of UK e-visas? Let's delve deeper. But before we get to this, please subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so to stay informed with the latest UK visa and immigration updates. The BRP, introduced in 2008, served as a physical document confirming an individual's immigration status and right to live and work in the UK. It contained biometric information, fingerprints, and a digital photograph, along with details like visa type and validity period. Initially, this was because, from 1 January 2025, the Home Office had planned to introduce BRPs, which incorporated next-generation encryption technology to meet EU requirements. Therefore, BRPs were issued with a maximum validity date of 31 December 2024. Following the UK's departure from the EU, the EU requirements on BRPs were lifted. However, the Home Office decided that they would still continue to issue with a maximum validity date of 31 December 2024 as part of their efforts to digitalize immigration status information. The Home Office has now confirmed that from 1 January 2025, you will no longer need a BRP, and instead, you will be able to prove your immigration status online and e-visas. Several other factors contributed to this decision. The UK government aims to streamline immigration processes by moving towards a digital system. E-visas offer faster application times, improved security, and easier data management. Replacing and renewing physical BRPs incurs substantial costs. E-visas eliminate the need for physical production and distribution, resulting in significant savings. Facing environmental consciousness. Phasing out plastic BRPs aligns with the UK's sustainability goals by reducing carbon footprint. And what do I need to do now? Presently, you do not have to do anything. The Home Office has confirmed that they will provide details about how to prove your immigration status online beyond 31 December 2024. You do not need to do anything at this time. And you should also remember that unless your actual permission to remain in the UK expires on 31 December 2024, it is only the card that will expire, not your permission. In due course, everyone will be given online access to their immigration status information. Despite the BRP expiry date, your immigration status remains valid even after December 31st, 2024. Your permitted stay, as per your visa type, is unaffected. From this 2024, BRPA holders will have access to a secure online portal called View and Prove. This allows you to electronically access and share your immigration status information when needed. The UK e-visa era dawns. The UK e-visa system promises several advantages. Apply for visas entirely online, eliminating the need for physical applications, and expect faster processing times and quicker decision notifications. Access and manage your visa information anytime, anywhere through a secure online portal. Advanced digital measures ensure greater protection against fraud and identity theft. The end of the BRP marks a significant step towards a modernized and efficient UK immigration system. While change can be unsettling, understanding the reasons behind it and the benefits of the new e-visa system can offer reassurance. Remember, your immigration status remains secure, and the transition promises greater convenience and accessibility. Stay tuned for further updates as the UK embarks on this digital transformation journey. We hope this information was very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to always be notified when we publish new updates. Have a great day!